Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on volume part 2. In this video we will look at the volume of some pyramids as well as the cone and the sphere. So here we'll start off with the square pyramid, and it's called a square pyramid because the base is a square. So if that length is b, that length is also b. And we have a perpendicular height, so this is a right angle here. So really, they're the only measurements we need to find the volume of this square pyramid. And the formula is quite straightforward. V equals 1 over 3 times b squared times h. B squared gives you the area of the base, and h is the height. So, in conclusion, the volume of a square pyramid is a third times the area of the base times the height. Now, that also works for a rectangular pyramid. So if the base is a rectangle, you'll have 3 different measurements, but you still use the formula, remembering that the area of the base for a rectangle is length times breadth. For the triangular pyramid, obviously we have a triangle for a base. Here, in order to make things a little bit easier, I've just had a right angle triangle here. So we have A here, B there, and we have the perpendicular height for the pyramid. So again, the volume is a third times the area of the base, which is a half AB. So the area of the triangle is half AB. If you call that the base of the triangle, and that'll be the perpendicular height. Half AB gives you the area of the triangle, and then you multiply by the height of the pyramid. So the formula is the same with respect to the volume being a third times the area of the base times the height. In this case, the base will always be a triangle because it's a triangular pyramid. Let's have a look at the cone. Here we have a cone. Now, when we have a cone, the base is a circle with radius r and height h, perpendicular height h. Again, the volume is a third times the area of the base times the height. So there's a third. The area of the base is pi r squared because it's a circle, and that's the height. So basically the area of the first 3 objects, that's the 3-dimensional objects, the volume is a third by the area of the base times the height. So if they're pyramids or cones, basically the formula for the volume is the same, remembering that the bases are different. So you have to use the correct formula to find the area of the base. For the sphere, the actual volume is very straightforward because all we need for the sphere is the radius. That's really all we need. And then we'll be given the value for pi. We're always given that value. So the formula for the volume of a sphere is V equals 4 over 3 pi r cubed. And you'll be given pi, an approximate value of either 3.142 or 22 over 7. So this video has given us a basic introduction showing us how to find the volume of a few pyramids and also the cone, as well as the sphere. And the volume is also in cubic units. Because it's volume, it's not surface area, the volume is in cubic units.